Hi, welcome to LearnSBOM. My name is Matt, and today I'll be giving you an overview of Build.Info Go by the people at JFrog. Build.Info Go is a generator written in Go that produces SBOMs and other build info for Go, Maven, Gradle, and NPM projects. It also features API endpoints for Go that let you generate build info from within your Go project. To install the program, first we want to clone the repo. Then I'll enter the directory, and now we'll actually need to compile the project. To do this, you'll make sure that you have Go installed in order to run the build commands. So you can just go to Go's site and download the executable or install it from your package manager. If you're on Unix, you want to run build scripts, build.sh, and that will compile. If you're on Windows, you want to run /build scripts /build.bat, and that will also compile. Since I'm on a Unix-based system, I want to do build scripts /build.sh. So you can see there is no output here. If we do ls, we can see that we now have a new executable called bi. This is what we're actually going to run in order to execute the Build.Info Go program. If we take a look here at the README, we can see that the execution is very simple. We just supplied the project that we want it to run against. And if you do /bi-help, you can see a list of options that you have as well. First, I'm going to have Build.Info Go generate build info for itself. So I'm going to run it against this project here, which is a Go project. I'm going to run /bi go. Now, by default, this will generate their own schema of build info, as you can see here. If we want to redirect this into a file, we can just use the file redirection character, and we're going to say buildinfo.json. And then if we go into that file, we should see the newly generated build info. Oop, I'm in Vim. There we go. We can also generate CycloneDX format. To do that, we're going to run the same command, but at the end, put --format CycloneDX / and then whatever CycloneDX format you want. So if you want JSON, you do JSON. If you want XML, you do XML. In this case, I'm going to do JSON, and we'll call it SBOM CDX. Now, if we go into this file, we can see we have a CycloneDX spec 1.4 generated for the Build.Info Go project. So here I have a sample node project, and I also want to get build info for this. So what I'll do is I'll first copy the build info executable here. Of course, if you want to be able to run this globally, you want to put this bi file in some place that your path reaches. For me, I'm just going to leave it as this executable file. And to generate for npm, we're going to do /bi npm, and then the same options as previously. So we'll just put that in buildinfo.json. And now if we go into this file, we can see we have the schema that Build.Info Go came up with that lists all of our packages. Just a note, you may have issues generating this if you haven't previously installed all of the dependencies for your npm project. So to do that, make sure you run npm install before doing anything else. Now I'll also have it generate CycloneDX. So we'll say bi npm -- format, and we'll do CycloneDX. This time we'll do XML. And we'll put that into SBOM CDX.xml. And now if we go into this file, we can see we once again have a CDX 1.4 spec. If you go to the README, you can also see that this program features a few API endpoints for Go projects. So if you're using a Go project, or if you're creating a Go project that needs to interact with SBOMs and you want to generate them for the supported languages, this may be a good option for you, as you can generate them from within your own code using this project. Overall, it's an easy to use tool. If you're just using it to generate SBOMs though, I would recommend using a tool like Sift instead, as it has more configuration options and more supported languages. If you need a tool that will let you integrate it into your Go programs and generate SBOMs from your code, then I would say that this is a good choice. Otherwise, that's all for Build.Info Go from JFrog. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.